Minister Nemcha Kipgen launches Direct Benefit Transfer DBT under Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana scheme for pregnant and breastfeeding women today. IRED locals indefinitely block Imphal Yaripog Road against non-repair of the road stretching from Kongba Ketri to Standard College today. And a combined team of police led by 3 superintendent of police seizes stolen vehicles, drugs and incriminating items during a search operation today. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgen has launched the Direct Benefit Transfer DBT under Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana PMMVY scheme for pregnant and breastfeeding women today. Minister Nemcha Kipgen asserted that such a DBT facility for the maternity benefit scheme will also be made available for beneficiaries of all-aged pension and other schemes of the department. Addressing media persons at her office in New Secretariat today, the Social Welfare Minister further stated that out of 5,000 forms received under PMMVY scheme, 1,696 beneficiaries were approved and efforts are on to approve more beneficiaries. Nemcha Kipgen said that the scheme is a joint initiative of the centre and the state government. She said under 90% centre's share and 10% state share, a total amount of 5,000 rupees per beneficiary will be made available in 3 installments. The minister urged all pregnant women since January 1st, 2017 to apply for the scheme. She added that women pregnant since June 15, 2016 can also avail the second and the third installment of PMMVY scheme. However, the scheme does not apply to women employees of centre and state government offices. Nemcha Kipgen urged for people's support in making the scheme meant for the well-being and welfare of pregnant women available to all genuine beneficiaries in the state.
Ngasigi maternity benefit ge DBT hodok pa asigi hodong chaba lorega or is pension amadi ate scheme singbuso DBT athuba matamda chatnaragani aroibada aina maru oina media ge ichi inau singda appeal tojaning badi Manipur government na lauthok hiba scheme sing asibu prayamijam da hanghannaba media na achoba role lobiyu haibasini.
Locals of Kongba Ketri indefinitely blocked Imphal Yaripog Road against the non-repair of the road stretching from Kongba Ketri to Standard College today. The irate residents of the area blocked the road by piling wood logs since early this morning. Speaking to Impact News, one Mairapaibi member, Kongbam Roma, said that the locals had also blocked the road previous years for the same reason, following which the government repaired the road last December. However, the road from Kongba Ketri to Standard College stretch was left behind. Roma said that they appealed to the authority concerned to repair the road but remained indifferent to their demand. She stated that just 1.5 kilometer stretch of the road, which remained in a deplorable condition for the past 10 years, has been adversely affecting the commuters and the locals. She said that the road has become an accident-prone area. She further warned the authority concerned of not withdrawing Imphal Yaripog Road shutdown if they still remain indifferent to their demand. Meanwhile, locals of Wabagai constituency also blocked Hangun to Nastown Road by digging the road against the incompletion of the repair work of the road under PMGSY, which was supposed to be completed in 2014 and 15. The important road connecting Sekmaijing and Irong Chisaba had been neglected by the authority concerned and has remained an accident-prone area and contributed to air pollution affecting health of the people living nearby the road. Kundrakpam Kendra Youth Organization KHUKYO Information and Publicity Secretary I. Tony drew the attention of Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren and authority concerned to look into the substandard construction of Wakang Khong Bridge. Wakang Khong Bridge on Imphal River is under construction between Yumnam Khunau and Sambay area at present. Tony said that the volunteers of the organization are keeping a strict vigil on the developmental projects under its jurisdiction. He stated that the construction of the bridge is going on without the use of steels. Instead, stones from the riverbed are being used in the construction. He appeals to the authority concerned to look into the matter at the earliest. A police team jointly led by 3 superintendents of police, namely SP Thaubal K. Meghachandra, SP Kakching Singhajit and SP NAB W. Basu seized 3 4-wheelers and 8 2-wheelers suspected to have been stolen and other incriminating items from Lilong Hauribi Awang Lekai and Lilong Yangbi Lekai under Lilong Police Station during a search drive today. 77 codeine bottles were seized from one Mohammad Safiq Ahmad from Lilong Laihau Khong. 3 4-wheelers and 8 2-wheelers without proper documents were seized from 11 persons. 2 grams of heroin number 4 and 1 double-barrel gun without license from 2 individuals during the joint drive conducted early in the morning around 4:30 to 9:30 a.m. today. Addressing media persons after the drive, SPNAB W. Basu stated that 2 cases were registered at Lilong Police Station in connection with the drive carried out by the team in association with All Lilong Anti-Drug Drive Association under the supervision of Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren. All Manipur People's Welfare Voluntary Association Manipur in a press release pressurized the authority concerned to punish those who tried to back those involved in the adulteration of oil, which was found out after Speaker Khemchand's car broke down from filling petrol at PCTC oil pump. Employees of Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited BSNL Manipur Division staged a sit-in for their various demands today. The sit-in was organized by All Union and Association BSNL Manipur Division. Taking part in the sit-in, an employee of BSNL, H. Kogen, stated that BSNL employees have been demanding implementation of the 7th Pay Commission for a long time and their demand is still being ignored by the state government. He further alleged that the center government is setting up subsidiary tower companies which might bring the BSNL to an end. Kogen maintained that such acts of the government have brought immense grievances to the employees and urged to withdraw them at the earliest. He also urged the government to fulfill their demands as soon as possible.
Subsidiary tower companies withdraw tau अखोई BSNL की employees सिंह दा सबेल पे कमीशन मयाम ना हाइना अखोई थार PRC हाइना खंगनै हारिबसी मसी implement तौ अदुगा अखोई subsidiary tower company सेम बा यारोय अदुगी अखोई working kind retirement age 60 दगी reduce तौ बा यारोय हारिबा सिउम बसिंग सी demand तौदन all India की ओइबा चंगछलक प खोंगजंग नै मदुगी सरुक अमोइना अखोई मणिपुर दा लैबा BSNL के ऑफिसर अमसुंग official staff सिंह की अपुनबा association ना हारिबा सरुक सी दा चंगछन जरक प खोंगजंग.
A meeting was convened at Manipuri Muslim Council office in Moray today against the killing of Muhammad Khairuddin alias Michi, 20 years, son of Azizur Rahman from Moray Wards number 5 in Muslim Nagar by unidentified miscreants yesterday. Leaders of MCM, HTC, Tamil Sangam, Gorkha Samaj Samiti, Akodom and MMCM took part at the meeting. A telephonic interaction was held with MLA Tengnopal D. Korungthang during the meeting. The MLA assured the people that as soon as Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren arrive in Imphal tomorrow, he will personally meet him regarding the issue and try to fulfill the people's demand. The people want of intense agitations participated by all communities living in Moray town if the state government do not solve the issue at the earliest. SP Tengnopal Dr. S. Ibomcha also attended the meeting. The 4-day second diet week of District Institute of Education and Training in Imphal West concluded today. Speaking to media persons, the principal of the center, Gina Tongram, said the diet week kicked off on DM College campus on January 31st as curriculum syllabus under National Council for Teachers Education. She said the diet week was organized with an objective to develop the personalities of the teachers trainees at the center. The teacher trainees competed in events such as cultural dance, music, drama, debate, essay and painting competition during the diet week. Gina said the week organized by the center will help in producing good teachers in the future.
Organizational behavior, leadership qualities, yamna puthoi, initiative lawi, intrinsic motivation haibase moi masam sada loina lei aduga aina sdesa thamjaningai badi akhoi si future da akhoi oza or primary teachers ojara oiduirba satra singse moina school chapasinda akoina smaina pangtho ismaina moisu school suda akhoi manipur gi satra singsida moina smaina organize tawraga moina pangthok anena khanji hena busu hena pangthok anena khanji.
Directorate of Handloom and Textiles is inviting applications on plain paper from interested craftspersons of the border villages located in the outlying border of Manipur to participate in the 7 days crafts exhibition of border villages of Manipur from 13 to 19 March 2018. Director of Handlooms and Textiles, Government of Manipur, in a press release said that the exhibition, which is to be held at Urban Heart, Nilakuti, Imphal East, Manipur, is being organized under the aegis of Manipur Handlooms and Handicrafts Development Corporation Limited. Participants with maximum participants per stall will be provided free stall, traveling allowances and free accommodation. The stalls will be allotted on first-come, first-served basis and the last date of submission of application is February 20, 2018. International Handicap Welfare Mission Manipur, under the initiative of Padma Shri Laisram Nabakishore Charitable Trust, presented wheelchairs to 8 physically challenged persons today. Speaking in connection with the event, Information Secretary of IHWMM, Angom Momo, asserted that the program was held with an aim to give equal treatment to the physically disabled persons. He maintains that though the Social Welfare Department has sanctioned various welfare schemes for the physically challenged individuals, such benefits do not reach the disabled persons on time. Angom Momo stated that as per 2011 census report, out of around 55,000 disabled persons in Manipur, hardly 5,000 disabled persons got the benefits of various social welfare schemes. Speaking in connection with Chief Minister Biren's recently launched CMHT scheme, Angom Momo asserted that the scheme has not benefited the disabled persons. He suspected that the scheme is led in the opposite direction. He disclosed that the physically disabled persons might initiate a protest campaign in connection with the matter by this week.
की सेंसस की मखापोना कोई दिसेबल से 55,000 माइले अदुबु गवर्नमेंट की कोई कयाम यामना फंगगे अखोइना थिजरु मतमदि मी लिसिंग मरी मंगादगी हेना सोशल फेना स्कीम लाउथोइब सिंग असि कानब सिदे हेन फंगदि ना माइले मिनिस्टर की सोथरब सिंग त्यंबा हाइदमा हौदोपिख्रे हारिब तेमांग सिदसु यामना फजना को इम्प्लीमेंट तौबिरकद्रा हाइना खंजबने अदुबु मसि ओना तैनबद हुसिसे हारिब सगी बेनिफिशियरी फंगदब सिंग असिना फंगद्रगा तोंगानो मोंगदा फंगबगे कोइ ngasi मरि मंगानि लेरगदि अखोइ डिसेबल सिंग इहोम सोइदन लाकनी.
Cookie Students Organization KSO will conduct a scholarship test for the financially constrained civil service aspirants in the state who are unable to afford exorbitant coaching fees. Successful candidates in the scholarship test will be given opportunity to avail subsidized coaching facility at the renowned coaching institute in Delhi, GS Core Institute. Addressing media persons at Cookie Inn in Babupara, General Secretary of KSO, Sean Baite, stated that the scholarship test will be held in 5 different states of the country, namely Manipur, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland and Delhi on February 10. In Manipur, the scholarship test will be held at Lord Star Public School in Kongsai Vang, Laifam Kuno. All examination centers will be supervised by KSO branches. Sean Baite said interested civil services aspirants for the scholarship test can register online at www.iascore.in/scholarship.php.latest by February 7.
Hariba scholarship test asida top 10 manung chanba singsina 75% coaching fee, course fee, scholarship phangani kana gumba sigi test scholarship test sida yaho daba missing na kai gumba thawai yaw ragade GS course sida ming kai gumba channing bataragade keso gi through the chaladi 20% gi course fee se web tawgani.
National Sports University Harauthel Protection Committee appreciated Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Letpao Haokip for announcing that the name of the construction site of National Sports University will be renamed as Harauthel. It may be mentioned that the name of the construction site was unanimously decided during a meeting held at the Old Secretariat Conference Hall yesterday. Sekmai MLA Haikam Dingo, representatives from Kauruk, Harauthel, Sengjam Chirang, Sengjam Kuno, National Sports University Harauthel Protection Committee and Kuki Student Organization were among those present at the meeting. The committee appeals to all to warmly welcome Prime Minister Narendra Modi on his visit to the state to inaugurate the sports university in March this year. Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur COSEM in a press release notified that students appearing in the class 11 and 12 examination 2018 conducted by COSEM can collect their admit cards from their respective institutes from February 5. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Imphal Jamboree, which kicked off at Manipur Trade and Expo Center, Lamboy, Khungnangkhong today. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. PhD Minister Losi Dikho launched Imphal Jamboree, a 3-day event at Manipur Trade and Expo Center, Lamboy, Khungnangkhong today. Global Shepherds Community Imphal Hub organized the event. Speaking on the occasion, Losi Dikho said youth are the future of the society. However, today's youth are facing many problems. He appeals to youth to be active and positive in order to bring a change and contribute to the welfare of the society. Renowned education reformist and innovator Sonam Wangchuk and other distinguished personalities attended the event.
How Reliance has been growing. Had it been no a young Ambami, the youthful Mukesh Ambami, if he is not there, I think this Reliance will not grow as it is today. With his youthful life, he has taken over Reliance and it is growing. Likewise, the Gandhi family, the politics of Gandhi family may not remain if the youthful Rahul Gandhi is not there. Likewise, we depend so much on the youth.
All India Confederation of SC/ST Organization Manipur, in collaboration with different associations, will conduct an awareness program on Reservation Kalhousi at Kakching Mayalekai Multipurpose Hall on February 24. National Chairman of All India Confederation of SC/ST Organizations, Dr. Udit Raj, IRS, will also visit Manipur to address the public gathering. The organization appeals for people's participation at the event. They also informed that a memorandum containing various demands will also be submitted to Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
National Chairman Masamak Asina, Magasin Bakayamuk Laboram Labasu, Taduk Tuna, Manipur the Lariba Kwegi, ST, Amadi, SC, Adoga Kwegi, OBC, Dalit, Akupunamakpu, Mass Education PB Nabagida Magta, Hariba. February 24, 2018, Saturday. Ayuki Pungtramathoy, Maphamna Multipurpose Hall.
IFCD and YAS Minister Letpao Haokip today visited Mangai Ching, wife of late Lam Enthang from Sugnu Zoven, whose house was gutted in an unfortunate incident on the midnight of February 1, 2018. The minister handed over relief materials consisting of 3 bags of rice, 1 bag of potato and pulses, 1 water container, blankets and utensils to the victim family. Letpao stated that the victim will be compensated from Disaster Management Fund of the district and 1 housing scheme from PMAYG. The minister was accompanied by DC Chandel, Krishna Kumar, SDO Kengjoy, and Shokhongam Baite, SDO Chakpikarom, David Rangkung, and SDPO Sugnu Romendro. The Indian Science Congress Association held 3 meetings, namely Executive Committee meeting of 105th Indian Science Congress ISC, Council meeting of ISC and meeting of the sectional presidents and local sectional secretaries at Manipur University Court Hall yesterday. A Vice Chancellor of Manipur University, Professor Adya Prasad Pandey, hosted the meetings. Arrangement status of 105th Indian Science Congress at Manipur University schedules to be held from 16th to 20th March, and other various developmental works which are being carried out with regards to the upcoming ISC at the Manipur University were discussed in length during the meeting. Secretary of Hare Krishna Movement Guwahati Vijay Pandit Dasa stated that Akshaya Patra Foundation, a Bangalore-based non-profit organization, has a willingness to provide midday meal to the students of schools in Manipur in association with the government of Manipur. Vijay Pandit Dasa, who arrived in Imphal yesterday, has been taking a tour to the Hindu temples in Manipur. Speaking to Impact News at Hotel Classic today, Vijay Pandit said Akshaya Patra Foundation was established in 2000 under the aegis of ISKCON, established in Bangalore in 1997 with the motive to intensively supply midday meal to the school-going students in the entire nation. The Pandit said that the foundation has supplied midday meals to the schools in Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, Orissa, Telangana, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Assam and Tripura. He said the foundation has also sent its proposal for the same to the government of Arunachal Pradesh. Vijay Pandit Dasa said the Akshaya Patra Foundation will continue to supply surplus midday meal for more nutritional and healthy future for the students.
We started serving the school meal in government schools in the year 2000 in Bangalore. So today that program has grown to this scale, and today covering around 1.7 million children. Because our vision is that no child in India shall be deprived of education because of hunger. So we wanted to explore that possibilities and see the opportunities. If the government of Manipur is interested to extend our services to implement the school meal program, we would be very happy to associate with the government and continue this initiative here as well.
Rajarshri Bhagyachandra Cultural Foundation Manipur will observe its 7th Foundation Day at Madan Mohan Mandir in Singjamai Oinam Thingel on February 6. The foundation has appealed to the people of the state to attend the ceremonial event. Addressing media persons at the head office of Rajarshri Bhagyachandra Cultural Foundation Manipur at Sega Road, Thauda Bhabok Lekai, Chief Advisor of the foundation B. Amusana Sharma said that the Rajarshri Bhagyachandra Cultural Foundation Manipur has been serving the Hindu community in the state as desired by Rajarshri Bhagyachandra. He said that the 7th Foundation Day ceremony, which will be held at Madan Mohan Mandir, the 3rd branch of Sri Sri Govindaji in Singjamai Oinam Thingel, will revive the mandir. Amusana appealed for people's support and cooperation in reviving the controversial Madan Mohan Mandir. Members of Rajarshri Bhagyachandra Cultural Foundation Manipur were also present during the press meet.
Mapamjida laisi am pibam shokna leramba Rajarshri Bhagyachandra Tauramba culture sida Kudung in resum sangsi laiba Masamana Koina Moshi Lengdama Manana Haitari Shabada Aramam Nityanandada Anu Prabhuda Nido Kongo Pinata Tauri Basmaina Tohanjaning Vedagi Rajarshri Bhagyachandra Apamadu Mapung Pana Pangtopamak Regasu Kanada Warapsu Akoi Togum Toi Mana Nikapiramba, Mana Topiramba, Madugi, Namjaw Kudol Kanadan Katpai, Masamanayo, the Koi Tony.
Founder and President of Manipur Heart Foundation MHF, Dr. L. Shyam Kishore, stated that the foundation was established in March 3, 2013 with an objective to extend help to heart patients, especially those living under poverty line. Shyam Kishore said the foundation has extended monetary help amounting to 4,90,000 rupees to 25 heart patients of the state. He said that heart patients living under poverty line can contact the Manipur Heart Foundation at Sky Hospital to avail the facility. District Library and Youth Center Thoubal Athokpam celebrated its Silver Jubilee at its office today. A souvenir was also released in connection with the day. Speakers on the occasion stressed on the significance of library in our society, saying that library is a house of knowledge, and expressed the need for students to keep the habit of visiting library. Gifts were handed over to individuals who have significantly contributed in the establishment of the library. All Manipur Christian Organization AMCO in a press release pleaded on behalf of all the churches in Manipur to regularize the churches. AMCO said as per an order issued by Supreme Court in 2009 regarding unauthorized construction of religious structures in public places, Government of Manipur constituted a committee headed by Chief Secretary to review the same. The Government of Manipur via order issued on 27 October 2011 by the Commissioner Revenue recognized and regularized 70 religious structures within Imphal West, but not a single church was regularized. On the contrary, some churches in Imphal are facing eviction order. AMCO appeals to the authority concerned to respect the religious sentiments of the Christian community and regularize the churches. JSC against the killing of CH Mani Maitei, who died after being hit by a winger at Thoubal Hauka, demanded the government to find out the truth behind the death by February 5. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, convener of the JSC, KH Basantakumar said Tungkham Mani died on January 27 after he was hit by a winger around 8 in the night. He said a memorandum was submitted to Chief Minister Nongthongma Biren to either produce the owner or the driver of the vehicle on January 31. Basantakumar said that it is unfortunate that the identity and whereabouts of the culprit are not found out yet. He warned of blocking Tidim Road along with the civil society organizations, clubs and the people if the details of the death are not found out by February 5.
Mihat pa driver asi lagliba tang manga phaugi manungda winger association singna thibada puthokpi bada mateng pangbiu amani Manipur sarkar gi maikai mihat pa driver asibu phabiduna laikhidraba mani gi imung munung gi awabada saruk yahan biba amadi magi laita lairada mateng panghanabgi thoksilama sarkar na puthokpi dragadi lagliba tang manga dagi aikoina Manipur gi civil society organization singa loina raga aikoi akanba khungjang kaya changchan nabi namukta koi pirep logjare.
And in sports, the 33rd Sulam Area Sporting Association Sasa Sports Meet kicked off at Larong village in Chandel district today. People of different communities inhabiting Chandel district such as Anal, Lamkang, Moyon and Tarao tribe are taking part in the 6-day sports meet organized by Sasa Chandel. Chairman of ADC Chandel, Lukho Seyezao, Vice Chairman Joy Lamkang, Executive Member T.S. Kanlun Anal, T.S. Willingson Anal and C.H. Mesil Maring took part in the inaugural function of the meet. Football and volleyball events are the highlight of the meet. Atletico de Kolkata ATK will meet Bengaluru in a match of the ongoing 4th Indian Super League 2017-18 at Salt Lake Stadium, Kolkata at 8 tonight. In a match played yesterday at Sri Chhatrapati Sports Complex, Pune Kerala Blasters beat Pune City FC 2-1. The 2 goals for Kerala Blasters were netted by Jackie Chan Singh and CK Vineet in the 58 and 90 plus 3 minutes of the match, while the lone goal for Pune City FC was netted by Emiliano Alfaro in the 78 minutes of the match. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Minister Nemcha Kipgen launches direct benefit transfer DBT under Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana scheme for pregnant and breastfeeding women today. IRED lockers indefinitely block Imphal Yaripok Road against non-repair of the road stretching from Kongba Ketrilaikai to Standard College today. And a combined team of police led by 3 superintendents of police seizes stolen vehicles, drugs and incriminating items during a search operation today.